Still not understanding this logic. Back in a better. Baby, it's whatever. Get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt. Skirt. Pull up skirt. Setting kids on playing games. And it's love that ain't the same. I don't know what.
Hey guys, it's your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today is a vlog. So yeah, today we're gonna be doing basically we're gonna be shopping, having a girly time, and doing a little self-care. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. So yeah, I hope you guys, before we go and join this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below which part of the video you like, and don't forget to hit the little bell to be notified of videos. And let's get into the video. Before I get into this video, let's give you guys a cute outfit of the day. I don't have my jacket on or my shoes, but imagine, picture though. See, you got the cute floral kind of major crop top, but it's like long sleeve. But I rolled it up because it's hot out. I'm like, I don't know why I put this on, but it's cute. And I also got my high-waisted high-rise jeans, matching my combat boots. I don't feel like putting them on right now, but yeah, before I go out, I'm gonna be like that. But you're gonna see my shoes a lot in the video, so you'll see those. You're gonna see my cute feet. But I did paint my nails out, so they look cute. But look at them. I want one of the new nail polish. It looks so cute on my feet. Like, it brought my feet out in this collection. It brightens up like this, like so. Okay. But yeah. Oh, also earlier in this video, you see me got my hair done. And let's take a little minute. Take a little minute and admire this beautiful hair though. Like, girl, your hair is so my hair is so pretty. My apologies guys, I couldn't stop talking about my hair because I was so obsessed with it, like how like it was so cute, and when my outfit went together with it, I'm like, this is so perfect. So I'm like, I can't stop talking about hair. And then I started talking about other stuff, and like I started going like all in, started talking about random stuff, so sorry about that, but I can't help, I can admire my beautiful looks. So okay, that's enough of this video. Let's get back to this video. Bye. Okay cuties, our first step on our journey of our shopping trip is roses, if you have not guessed by the magazine I showed you earlier. So we have roses, and I seen this sifter, I'm like, we should get this for the kitchen, because I don't know why, I always been looking at this stuff like that. Next thing you see is me getting the portable laptop desk, where I can just basically like do my work on my bed and stuff. And I seen this cute painting, I'm like, oh, that's so cute. It matches my room aesthetics too, so like I like that. And then I seen this cute painting wall, I'm like, that's so cute, I gotta show you guys. And then our next stop is Hobby Lobby. And I'm so excited to go to Hobby Lobby because I really like how, I just really like going to the candle section, just sniff all the candles, that's just me. But then I also like seeing the creative room decorations, and like I like to go see those, and bada bing, bada boom. When I stopped, I seen these cute dream catchers. Hold up, rewind, pause. You see those dream catchers? Oh my gosh, I don't know what's with me, but I'm obsessed with dream catchers. Like, I really want one, but I don't have one, so I'm gonna get me one because for some reason I want those for some reason. Okay, Keys, so your girl is in Hobby Lobby right now. I left, I think last time you see me was in Dollar Tree and where else? Can't forget where I went before, but I went there to record the video, but oh, you're too close. Too zoom in. Yeah, I left Dollar Tree. Oh, I went to Roses before that. I've been looking for this a while, but you guys have not noticed. I was trying to look for this backdrop paper, and look, lo and behold, they had it in Hobby Lobby this whole time. Like, mind blows. Okay? I should definitely get one of these. I thought this mirror one was in Hobby Lobby was super cute because it was all glammed and glare out. But yeah, I thought it was cute, so I had to show you guys. I seen this cute painting from Hobby Lobby before we walked out. I'm like, that is so cute. Our next pit stop is Five Below. This is cute. Oh, and they soft.
What about this?
I like that shirt. I like that shirt. I want that shirt. Now here I am eye shopping again, but when I see these cute pink shorts, I'm like, I had to have them. So I got me a full set of pink shorts where they have the top and bottom with those. So yeah. I thought, oh, and then I seen this cute black top. I'm like, that's cute, but like, I'm not too comfortable wearing that. So I went and changed it, and then I seen this outfit. I'm like, I like the style shirt, but I didn't like this pattern on the shirt. So I'm like, I'll put these back. But I'll probably find something that's similar to that shirt. But in the meantime, I'm gonna stick with my pink outfit. And next up, we have the dresses. I'm like, oh, these are so cute. I really like the dresses that are here. I really like this dress in particular because it's super cute and it's like peachy and giving me kind of like sundress vibes. So I like that dress. Then I like this dress right here, which I might probably go back and get, maybe. I don't know for sure. But I really like that dress. But I like this dress in the front. That was the white one that's like kind of ruffled lettuce look, and I really like that. But then I really like this romper. Oh, don't get me started on this romper, and like this is so cute because it has daisies on it, and it was like super. It had the lettuce top look. And I'm like, oh, that's so cute. I like it. And then I went to the jewelry section and like, oh, jewelry, which I need to get a jewelry for my sister because her birthday's coming up. Yeah, I need to get her that one thing that she wanted. So yeah, I probably will be doing more shopping later soon. So stay tuned to my channel if you want me to do more shopping vlogs because I'm going to be doing a lot of those and also shopping hauls. So if you're not subscribed now, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the little bell to be notified when I post a video. I can't end this Five Below journey off without going to the t-shirt section. So here's the t-shirt section. They got new stuff added, so I'm definitely gonna get some more of those. Now my mom came up with the sundress, so I'm gonna be showing you how she styled that together, but our next outfit of the day. So stay tuned for my channel on that for outfit of the day. But I'm gonna sign this off to feature KP. Take over. That's really cute. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below which part of the video you like, and if you like the look of my outfit or whatever you feel like you want to comment, please go ahead and do that. Feel free to comment down in the comment section below, and don't forget to check out all my social media pages. I'll link it all in the description box down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, cuties. Cutie out.
I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would